Hey there, it's Brittany Booker with BRG Real Estate, and today we're going to tour the retreat at Ocean Isle Beach. So come along and ride with me. The retreat is a Bill Clark Homes community located just off the causeway in Ocean Isle Beach. Craftsman-style cottages range in size from 1,700 to nearly 3,000 square feet, with about 20 different floor plans to choose from. Sidewalk-lined streets, outdoor pool area, and pickleball courts are just some of the amenities covered by the low HOA fee in this charming coastal community. The retreat is only 1 mile from the sandy shores of Ocean Isle and about 45 minutes to both Wilmington and Myrtle Beach, and all those cities have to offer. Make sure you click the link in the comments to see available homes in the retreat at Ocean Isle Beach.